Welcome to homework.
Hello, in this question we are given some assumptions to start with, and based on those assumptions we have to determine the validity of some conclusions that are given. The assumptions that are given to us are: first, S1, all dictionaries are useful. The second assumption is Mary owns only romance novels, and the third assumption is no romance novel is useful. Let us represent these assumptions in a Venn diagram. So let uh, this represents the universe of all books, or the ambient set of all books, and this represents the set of romance novels. This represents the set of romance novels. Now it is given that Mary owns only romance novel, so every book that Mary owns is a romance novel. So the set of books that Mary owns is a subset of the set of romance novels. So let this be the set of books owned by Mary. Books owned by Mary. Writing all this here will be clumsy, so I'm using this. I'm writing these things outside the diagram. Okay, and let us since and it's also given that no romance novel is useful. So the set of romance novels and the set of useful books do not have any intersection. They don't have any book in common. So the set of useful books. So let this be the set of useful books. This set will be disjoint from the set of romance novels. And it is given that all dictionaries are useful. So if there is a dictionary, it is also in a set of useful books. So the set of dictionaries is a subset of the set of useful books. So this is the set of dictionaries. From this, we are given some conclusions. The first conclusion is romance novels are not dictionaries. Are not dictionary. That is, if a book is romance novel, it cannot be a dictionary. We can see that a romance novel and the set of useful books are disjoint. So, but a dictionary is a subset of the set of useful books. So the set of romance novels and the set of dictionaries are also disjoint. So if there is, so they don't have any common intersection. So a romance novel cannot be a useful book because such a book will be in the intersection of romance novels and dictionaries. So no romance novel is a dictionary, and that's what the first one is claiming. So this thing is correct. The second conclusion is Mary does not own a dictionary. Now, the set of books that Mary owns, we can see from the diagram that the set of books that Mary owns and the set of books that of dictionaries, they are disjoint from each other because the set of books that Mary owns is a subset of the set of romance novels, and set of dictionaries is a subset of the set of useful books. But the set of romance novel and set of useful books are disjoint. So the set of books owned by Mary and set of dictionaries are disjoint. So Mary does not own a dictionary. There is no book that Mary owns that is a dictionary. So this is also correct. This set and this set are disjoint from each other. The third conclusion is all useful books are dictionaries. All useful books are dictionaries. And this is not correct because the set of dictionaries is a subset of the set of useful books. This is all we can get infer from the assumptions. We cannot assume, we cannot infer that the set of dictionaries is equal to the set of useful books. So there might be some books which are useful but they are not dictionaries. Some books that are present here might be some book that is present here might be a useful book, but it is not a dictionary. So all useful books are dictionaries is false. Well, this is something that we cannot, it may not be false, but we cannot conclude this from the given assumptions. And this completes our solution to this question. I hope this is useful. Thank you.